Hi, I'm Chami Bifamor and I'm from Great Neptune. In this video, I will illustrate to you the 5 advantages and disadvantages of client-server network. So, let's get started. According to my research, there are 5 advantages of client-server network. The first one is centralization. It is the main advantage of client-server network is the centralized control that it is integrated with. All the necessary informations are placed in a single location. This is especially beneficial for the network administrator since they have the full control over management and administration. Whatever the problem that occurs in the entire network can be solved in one place, and also due to this, the work of updating resources and data become way more easier. The second advantages of client-server network is security. In client-server network, the data is well protected due to its centralized architecture. It can be enforced with access controls such that only authorized users are granted access. One such method is imposing credentials like username and password. Moreover, if the data were to be lost, the files can be easily recovered from a single backup. The third advantages of client-server network is scalability. Client-server networks are highly scalable. Whenever the user needs, they can increase the number of resources such as clients and servers, thus increasing the size of the server without much interruptions. Even if the size gets increased, there is no hesitation about permission to network resources since the server is centralized. Therefore, very less number of staffs are required for the configuration. The fourth advantages of client-server network is management. Since all the files are stored in the central server, it is rather easy to manage files, and client-server network has the best management to track and find records of required files. The fifth and last advantages of client-server network is accessibility. Irrespective of the location or the platform, every client is provided with the opportunity to log into the system. By this way, all the employees will be able to access their corporate information without needing to use a terminal mode or a processor. So, let's proceed to the 5 disadvantages of client-server network. The first one is traffic congestion. The primary disadvantage of client-server network is the traffic congestion it undergoes. If too many clients make requests from the same server, it will result in crashes or slowing down of the connection. An overloaded server creates many problems in accessing information. The second disadvantages of client-server network is robustness. As we all know, client-server networks are centralized in case if the main server happens to undergo failure or interference, then the whole network will be disrupted. Therefore, client-server networks lacks on the side of robustness. The third disadvantages of client-server network is cost. The cost involved in setting up and maintaining the server is usually high in client-server network as it does on the network operations. Since the networks are powerful, they can be expensive to purchase. Hence, not all the users will be able to afford them. The fourth disadvantages of client-server network is maintenance. When the servers are implemented, it is going to work non-stop, which means it must be given proper attention. If there are any problems, it must be resolved immediately without any delay. Hence, there should be a specialized network management appointed to maintain the server. The fifth and the last disadvantages of client-server network is resources. Not all the resources that is present on the server is acquirable. For an example, it is not possible to print a document on the web directly or edit any information on the client hard disk drive. That's all. Thank you for joining me here this afternoon, and again, I am Chami Bifamor from Great Neptune. Thank you.